like a ship or something. So I'm like, well, maybe he's a captain in the Navy. I'm gonna say sounds right. Um, yeah, Captain Crunch, definitely tier 1 mascot. Now these next three, I never know which one is which, but Snap, Crackle, Pop. Right, this is for Rice Krispies, and if you eat Rice Krispies, my condolences because it's one of the worst cereals. But the Captain Crunch, the Snap, Crackle, Pop. There are, of course, three of them. One is named Snapple, one is named Crackle, and the other's name is Pop. And when you pour milk over the Rice Krispies, that's the sound they kind of make. Um, Although it solves like in 10 seconds.